Log is recording. Simulation starting.
Alright, we are entering the simulation and we have not jumped into a minefield.
Right, Doc's at DS1. Oh, we've got a pirate arrow.
DS1 standing by for docking.
Boost power to sensors.
Already boosted, sir.
That's a lot of friendly stations.
Jump drive ought to make missions easy.
Yeah.
I've never seen 8 stations before. 6,
Must all
7?
be civilian bases.
Must be.
Garden.
I suggest we jump to DS2 as soon as possible.
You know what Tango 05 is doing?
I'm not sure, sir. He seems to be on a patrol.
Alright, let's make a jump to DS2. Direction is 228. Range is 25k.
Would you like me to taunt Tango 05?
Coordinates locked
Not
in,
yet.
ready to undock on your orders.
Undock now and go.
Ready to jump. Jumping. I can't help but observe that our consoles fry themselves every time we jump.
Yeah. Come to a heading of 29. Oh, make it a heading of 137. Set as a jump of 5k.
I would
Please
initiate it
repeat
straight away.
those. Please repeat
Taunt
those.
Tango
jump orders.
05. Make a direction of 280.
Target taunted.
280, waiting
Yep.
directional orders.
Reduce range to 3k and jump.
Punching it, sir.
Ready the
Raise
shields.
your shields. Targeting.
Might be out of range.
Just out, so he's attacking DS2.
Target's
Close
coming about.
distance.
Pad
New
in.
target incoming at warp
Frequency
from
is Delta.
270.
Roger Delta. Switching to manual beams. Close in as fast as possible.
Target is duplicitous. I'm not going for surrender.
Close in.
Increase impulse speed.
We are
Who's
full
in?
impulse boost.
Targeting engine systems. 300% to impulse.
I will overheat.
Alright,
Okay.
they've got warp.
We are not catching this fucker. We need to
Target
engage a new target.
Sierra 5-8 as it comes into range and fire an EMP.
Alright, sir. Switching off
Helm-
auto.
Helm notes energy is at 42%. Recommend conversion.
Helm needs to shut his mouth.
Right, fire at Sierra 5-8.
Low visibility, sir. Cannot target.
Down.
Tango 05's coming back for some, sir. 058 EMP away.
Holding
Target Tango
position.
05. Target their engines.
Alright, sir. Close in.
We're presently in Sierra 5-8's blind
Enemy destroyed.
spot.
Alright, target Sierra 5-8.
Alright, sir. Targeting.
Frequency is Charlie.
Roger Charlie. Energy's low.
Prepare to dock us at DS2.
DS2 standing by for docking.
Takes in maximum impulse.
Full impulse,
Boosted.
waiting boost.
Set frequency of alpha for the next enemy.
Docking protocols engaged. As soon as we are docked, I will set him to
Alpha
face
set.
the enemy.
Give us a jump drive direction of 350. Range 5k. Make our
Jump.
heading 180.
Enemy's going to catch up on us.
Damn, he's got warp. No, take us out. Engage with maneuver Delta 2.
Frequency Alpha, sir.
Frequency is alpha.
Coming around.
Switching to manual.
Target the weapon
Target.
systems.
Aim destroyed. Lowering shields.
Alright, give us a heading of 090. Direction on the jump drive 270. Range 11k.
Coordinates locked in, sir. We are on heading.
Adjust to 260. Kilo 75.
Corrections made, sir.
Acquiring intel on Kilo
Initiate
75.
jump.
All hands, prepare for jump.
Tom
Ready
failed.
on the shields.
Raising shields.
Captain is a fitness freak and is exceptional.
Aim your hoy.
Boost power to impulse systems.
Boosted, sir.
We are running down these bastards.
Set another jump drive direction 213 range 21k.
Good try.
213, 21k. Coordinates locked in. Vampire.
Almost on him. Boost the primaries.
Adjust to 220.
Oh, what did you...
220.
The heading 090 after this combat.
Target will not surrender.
Power torps, power torps. Quick boost to torps, please.
Done.
Fire and homings.
Put that anomaly.
Anomaly on sensors, running it down.
Enemy destroyed.
Right, come to heading 090.
Loose homing.
Jump drive direction 216, range 15k. Full power to jump drive. Initiate on my mark.
Jump drive.
216,
Forward.
15k, heading 090. We are ready to go, sir.
Ready on the shields.
Ready.
Initiate jump.
All hands, prepare for jump.
Oh, Foxtrot 85.
Raising shields. Foxtrot 85
For
head.
intel.
Closing.
Sometimes disagrees with the Skyrim Corporation.
Target
Easily
taunted.
offended.
Target
Target the
weapon
weapon
systems.
systems.
Shield frequency, please.
Frequency is Charlie.
Roger, Charlie. Charlie set. Targeting weapons. Enemy destroyed. Lowering shields.
Heading 290, jump drive direction 277, range 16k. Heading 090.
Coordinates locked in, setting heading.
Jump.
Initiate jump.
All hands, prepare for jump.
Boost forward shield.
Ready the shields.
Raising shields.
Load EMP into the tubes, prepare to fire.
EMP's ready.
Fire.
Firing.
We're
Load and
3K
fire homing
from target,
torpedoes
ready
at
to
will.
close.
Loading. Boost the forts, please. Lowering shields.
Tubes
Okay.
are boosted.
An enemy craft is coming around. Watch the vampire.
Yes, he seems he has anti-torp, sir.
Got drones and shield drain on the current target. Go on.
Do the old-fashioned way, sir.
Anti-torpedoes, yep. Close distance. Moved altitude. You
Enemy
can see the
destroyed.
next target is Echo.
Roger, Echo. Need to boost those forwards.
Yes, boosted.
Turn them on would be nice.
Yeah.
That would help.
Get those primary beams repaired. Load mine
Yes,
into the
sir.
tubes.
Yes, sir. Loading. Why the hell do they lower?
Vampire.
Sod the vampire. Mines loaded.
How about heading 040? Maximum power to impulse.
Impulse boosted.
Heading set.
Deploy the mine boost rear shields.
Boosted.
Enemy surrender.
Excellent shot. Right,
Aaron?
come to heading
Transferring last timing to TNG.
108. Set direction 109 in the jump drive.
Engine level 380.
Range 14k.
Ready to initiate.
Go.
All stop.
Aye, sir. I'll stop.
Initiate.
I'm just taking a look at the info screen here, and we did take a beating.
Yes.
Opposite DS6.
Docking protocols engaged.
Station standing by for docking.
Alright. Take us out, heading 180.
Taking us out.
10% impulse speed. At jump drive direction 004. Range 19k.
004 and 19K coordinates locked in, sir.
Ready on the shields, initiate the jump.
All hands, prepare for jump.
Target enemies with primary beams.
Engaging beams. Enemies surrendered. Disengaging shields.
Alright. Gives a heading of 089. Impulse.
Permission to leave the bridge for 30 seconds, sir.
Go ahead. Helm, give us a jump dive direction of 088. Range 6k.
Coordinates locked in.
Hold. Initiate now.
Prepare for jump.
Focus at DS2, boost power to sensors.
Aye, sir. Function at 80% and repairing.
Sir, could you take a look at visual real quick? It appears this station is actually a ship.
Negative, I see a station.
I see a ship too.
That's weird.
But
It's a light cruiser.
no, I see a station. It may be something to do with your systems upgrade. Be Yarden Station.
Noted.
All systems full, sir.
Weapons is back online. Sorry for that, sir.
Alright. Keep power to sensors boosted.
Yes, sir, they are.
Silver, do you want to do the next jump?
Aye, sir. Are we going to the group in Delta 3?
Grid Delta 3 Mark 7. See if you can bring us in behind them.
Aye, Captain. Helm, set our bearing 136. Set jump bearing to 237. Range 23k.
136, 23K, heading set.
This is Command and Control to TSN Falcon, Fleet Captain Xavier. The TSN Hunter is requesting a heavy ship.
Make our bearing 133.
Did anybody else hear that announcement?
I did, sir.
Alright, gentlemen, it looks like
Roger.
we're going to have to drop out and go for a full-on mission. Sorry about that, Lieutenant.
Ha, it's alright. I'll have another chance.
Ending log.
Be Yarden Station.
Noted.
All systems full, sir.
Weapons is back online. Sorry for that, sir.
Alright. Keep power to sensors boosted.
Yes, sir, they are.
Silver, do you want to do the next jump?
Aye, sir. Are we going to the group in Delta 3?
With Delta 3 Mark 7. See if you can bring us in behind them.
Aye, Captain. Helm, set our bearing 136. Set jump bearing to 237. Range 23K.
136, 23K, heading set.
This is Command and Control to TSN Falcon, Fleet Captain Xavier. The TSN Hunter is requesting a heavy ship.
Make our bearing 133.
Did anybody else hear that announcement?
I did, sir.
Alright, gentlemen, it looks like
Roger.
we're going to have to drop out and go for a full-on mission. Sorry about that, Lieutenant.
Ha, it's alright. I'll have another chance.
Ending log.
Ha, it's alright. I'll have another chance.
Ending log.
All helm consoles are online and ready to go, sir.
Engineering online.
Weapons is ready and in. Looking at the situation.
Alright. Gives a heading of 298. Increase speed to warp 1. Comm signal to the TSN Hunters. Tell them that we've just entered the system. Moving to engage the Krellian enemies.
Corellian base, sir. That's interesting.
Get a status report from them as well. Increase speed to warp 2.
Warp 2.
Warp is boosted.
This
Give me
is a
status on main screen. Warp 1, come to direction 000.
I thought we had this sector cleaned out, sir. There shouldn't be a base here.
with the recent activity in the area. They could have deployed a mobile base as possible.
We're ready
Move
to
to
move into
engage
combat
Mike
range.
84 with maneuver Delta 2.
Roger that. Frequency, please, when viable.
TSN Falcon taking command of the group.
Take us in.
Guys,
Taking us in. Don't forget those shields.
I will not forget them if you do your
Going
job.
with attack pattern Charlie 1. Comms get control of Delta 7-4, bring them back around to help engage.
Take us in. Take us in. Don't worry about the shields. I'll worry about the shields. Don't need shields at this distance.
We're moving into attack range.
Take us in.
Continue with maneuver Delta 2 and uniform 98. Shields.
Right, sir.
Alright, let's take out this Krellian base. TSN Hunter, target everything that you've got in the Krellian base. Now move into primary beam range.
Helm, please don't raise the
copy
shields.
that, Falcon. We have no munitions, but we do have beams we can use alongside you.
Use them, Hunter.
Copy that, Falcon. We'll come in right behind you.
We're ready to move in primary beam range, but stand by, sir. My data console has crashed.
Do you want forward view, sir?
I've got visuals. Keep status on main screen for me.
Aye, sir. Dang it.
Tackle 2 homing torpedoes to energy. How can we close
Aye,
yet?
sir. 2 ammunition transferred. Raising shields. Targeting base with primary beams.
Maximum power to primary beams engineering.
Aye, sir.
Keep us in range.
Engaging the base.
All stop. The base does not seem to have offensive capabilities.
Yeah, shields offline.
Their own shields. Base destroyed.
We just dusted that puppy.
Alright, give me a heading of 113, go to half impulse. TSN Hunter gives a full report. Comms redirect Delta 7-4 back toward the nav point.
Captain.
We are clear on heading. I will bring us over the TSN Hunter.
TSN Hunter, this is TSN Falcon. Report.
Captain, I believe a ship is requesting escort to the Azimuth. There was some comms chatter, so I couldn't make out everything, but that's what I got.
Alright, have you got any link to the TSN Hunter? Alright, no, it's alright.
User joined your channel.
Captain?
Lieutenant?
Someone just kicked our captain off the bridge, basically. Oh, he's back. Otherwise, our whisper keys are not apparently working. But if I could give the report now, I can.
Lieutenant, report back to your ship.
Understood.
User left your channel.
I hate when those holograms turn up.
We are holding current patterns.
Alright. TSN Hunter, this is TSN Falcon. Make sure you're in formation with the Falcon. We're going to head back to the nav point. Helm, go to heading 118. Increase speed to warp 1.
Drives engaged, sir.
Engineering, bring our weapon systems offline. We won't be needing them.
Already done, sir.
I'll go make myself a coffee, sir. Do you want one?
Yes, because you can totally send coffee over transmat.
We're on the same bridge. Of course we can do it. $34K, nav point 1.
Gentlemen, we're going to join the TSN Hunter on their next mission. That's the mission briefing. It's quite straightforward. We're going to rendezvous with a supply ship by the Dene Gate, and we're going to escort it back to the TSAF Azimuth to make sure that it gets there safely.
They fixed the problems with the Dene Gate?
They've forced it open so that we can get supply ships through. It's not reliable, and it's likely going to cut off afterwards. Comms, have you managed to link up with the comms officer aboard the TSN Hunter?
Not made contact yet.
We're nearing the nav point, sir. Disengaging warp.
Alright, take us into the nav point.
We have entered the
Got it now.
home sector, sir.
Alright. TSN Hunter, this is TSN Falcon. What are your energy reserves looking like? Put us into a fuel collection mode for now, Hal.
I have contact with the Hunter.
What are their energy reserves looking like?
50% energy, Falcon.
Alright. Did he say 50?
You sound confident enough to say that, sir.
Fuel collectors are engaged, sir.
Alright. Instruct the Hunter to make way for Dene Gate. Tell them that we'll rendezvous there once we've recharged. Helm set heading is 067.
Do we have a current ETA of the
Heading set.
supply ship, sir?
Comms, contact the Azimuth, see if they've got an ETA for their supply ship.
We got a number of biomecs moving around here, don't we?
Yeah.
We certainly do. It's biometric heaven.
Can we confirm that the TSN Hunter received our orders?
Ship is due in 2 minutes.
Oh,
We are to move into
TSN
position
Hunter.
escort.
Say that again.
The Hunter will need to dock with the Asimov for recharge before they can proceed to Dene Gate.
Alright, instruct them to go and dock with the Asimov. We'll head to Dene Gate ourselves. Helm
We are
is
on-
065. Increase speed to Warp 1.
Energy
One
full.
engaged. Warp 1 not quite engaged, it would seem. Do we have
Engineering?
powered warp?
Not bad.
Powered warp. So we'll skirt this field and head to the gate. Threading the needle nice and easy.
Dante Gate, 37k. Did I say Dante Gate? I meant Dene Gate. Ugh.
It's Dene Gate.
Yeah. Don't know why I said that for. I said Lieutenant on my mind.
Alright, make our heading 070.
We're clear of the belt, heading set.
It appears the hunter has attracted some attention, but
Indeed.
it looks like they may have disengaged. One has.
Right, drop out of warp.
We've dropped warp, sir.
Sir, just to inform you, the hunter's lost a crewman. His name.
Again?
Just- I thought the hunter lost a crewman then for a second, sir.
Getting forward to warp and maneuver.
Transport on sensors.
Alright, comms, make contact with the TSAF Taramov. Tell them that we're here to escort them. Helm
So,
bring
Captain,
us
that's the way.
in above and off the starboard side of the Taramov.
I know I'm going to get hung for this, but what exactly is TSAF for anyway?
Terran Stellar Auxiliary Force. It's basically our transport and resupply vessels.
The engineering corps?
More or less.
Warping us in to...
Instruct the TSN Hunter to begin scout operations.
We are coming off starboard of the Taramov. We will be in formation shortly.
I instruct the TSN Surprise to attack that biomech. And then send it back to the TSAF Asimov along with Vengeance.
Sir, we have contacts. Non-biomet contacts.
Mike 87's reading is biomech.
That's correct, sir.
So Zulu 60.
Looks like they're all coming through.
Looks
Surprise
like
just got destroyed.
It appears something's attracted a lot of attention by him.
the surprise was destroyed.
Yeah, the biomech just sat on it and killed it. And I couldn't give it any directions either. I tried to earlier, but every time we enter here, they don't have I can't order them.
Alright, what about the Vengeance?
I can't order the Vengeance either. It's just by default. They don't take orders when we spawn in here.
Life pods, sir, on sensors, Bravo 2-7.
Instruct the hunter to go and pick up the life pods from the TSN Surprise.
Sir, the biomex seem to be converging on a sector.
They are moving in a most peculiar pattern.
It's very unnatural, sir.
If I weren't... Well, if I didn't know better,
Command and control.
I think I'd say they want us to get dusted up.
That's what's left of the TSN Surprise.
Tom's, have you told the TSN Hunter to pick up life pods?
Yes, Captain, message is away. All biomex appear to be hostile at this time.
Looks like we'll have to brace for a fight.
Biomex are turning.
No way communicating with them, is there?
There
Well,
are
we
no
know, sir.
There are no stage 4s in there, we can't even try.
We get shield frequencies on Biomex. Alright, let's pull ahead of the transport. Take us to a range of about 4,000 away from the transport.
The Vengeance looks like it's finally applying to orders.
Vengeance is moving to the Azimuth.
TSN Hunter is collecting the life pods, and we are on
Hold position
heading.
here.
So we have 5 biomex on intercept.
Alright, come to heading 135.
Standing by with weapons and shields. Loading EMP.
Change heading to 165.
They seem to be taunting us, sir.
Turn to heading 291.
No, sir,
Not engage the Biomex unless they fire.
they seem to be pairing to flak on the transport, sir.
Command
Mike-
them as soon as if they
Mike
start
87.
firing.
My gate 7 is approaching the transport. They're attacking.
Transport just took
Alright,
hits.
Mike 87, turn around and engage Mike
Suda
87.
60 and Mike 87 are both engaged.
Captain, biomex have all been determined hostile.
Raising shields. Power to beams, please.
Boosted.
Mike 87 still attacking the Termov.
Maximum power to primary beams.
As well,
Alpha 5-3
transports
attacking
took.
the Termov.
We need to get these bastards off to tear them off, their shields are going down.
Terror's rear shields are gone. Helm turns in. Transport
is
destroyed. Oh, it's
No,
jumped, is
it's
it?
jumped. It's
Good.
alive. Whiskey 4-4 is
Keep
pursuing
tagging.
it though.
Alright,
No, it's coming
keep
around.
engaging this enemy.
Whiskey 4-4 is engaged
Nice,
on
sir.
us.
Need to take out at least one enemy at a time. We can't just keep switching targets.
Termov is clear.
Can.
Alright, next, Mike 87.
Just get their attention. Permission to transfer torps, sir.
Go ahead.
4 homies transferred, lowering shields.
Alright, instruct the TSN Hunter to stay with the Taramov.
Oof.
I want us to remain within a range of 4,000 of it.
I was not aware that ship had emergency jump, sir.
Next time a biomech comes close, we're going to engage it straight away.
Papa 6-1's on intercept. New target, Charlie 4.
Instruct the TSN Hunter to move
Charlie
to
3.
engage Papa 6-1 in grid Alpha 4.
Science commence scans on Charlie 3 and Charlie 4.
Captain, there are 2 more targets in our path.
Pound, go to Warp 1, take us into the asteroid field and nebula.
Goes forward,
Heading
shields back up.
223.
Depends
We're
where the
clearing the
Primax.
Taramov, sir. Entering Nebula.
Engage Victor 7-8.
Science
Delta
gets a scan
2.
on Golf 4-1. Raising shields. Engaging Victor 7-8.
Delta 2 maneuver.
He's turning away, sir. Just keep engaging.
Keep engaging. I'm not letting him do that again.
What class is that? Golf 4-1?
Type 4.
We're not able to communicate with him, sir.
Try it, come, see what happens.
Holding distance away from the biomech while comms does their job.
So the Hunter's engaged Papa 6-1.
Target is communicating in gibberish.
He seems to leave the transport alone for now.
If it turns back around toward the transport, we'll engage it and destroy it.
Oh, sir.
Bring us back into range of the TSAF Taramov. Put us just off their port side, range of 4k from them.
Vengeance is meeting up with us.
Match
well,
heading and speed.
Energy level at 50%.
Do we have an exact speed from the Taramov?
I'm afraid not. Can we have the TSN Vengeance go back to the Asimov? Although since it's here, maybe if we get the Vengeance to come and escort the Taramov.
That would be a good idea, sir. At least I'll give it a protected escort if we have to engage.
That way we can move away from him.
Vengeance is on their way to defend Taramov.
Do you have any idea where those extra biomechs come from, sir?
Instruct the TSN Hunter to move ahead and tail Golf 4-1. If it starts to try and engage the Asimov or the John Bradfield, they can engage.
Biomechs turning again, sir. Seems to be intercepting the Vengeance, sir. Is it? Or was it circumnavigating the asteroids?
It's spinning around quite a bit. Not sure what they're going for. But they are closing on the Vengeance.
They're not moving towards the Vengeance anymore. It might be the Hunter.
Now they're going for the Hunter.
The course is not deviating.
Is the Hunter engaging? Hunter's
Yes.
engaged.
The biomech is compelled to attack back.
Alright, direction 190, Warp 1. Let's take us into range and engage Golf 4-1 with primary beams.
Course correction due to asteroids, sir. Moving in.
Raising shields. Take us
Let's
in.
see if we can get their attention.
Target their weapon systems.
Energy 40%, sir.
Cycle homing torpedoes to energy.
2 homies transferred. All homies depleted. Their energy level 45%. Enemy is destroyed.
Alright,
Lowering
put us on a
shields.
heading of 216, put us into energy saving mode.
Aye, sir.
Setting 216.
Are we in fuel collection mode?
Dropping us down to fuel collection mode, sir.
Tell the hunter to stay off the starboard side of the Taramov. In combat range of them.
Recovery.
You've engaged field collectors.
Alright, bring us back up to full impulse. Match the speed of that Taramov.
Full impulse.
Give me right view on main screen.
Right view, sir.
Is into line with the TSAF Taramov. That'll do. There's a nice shot for your log, hopefully, Gebbens.
It is on the visual, sir.
We seem to be on course with this asteroid.
We could turn towards them, sir, it'd be even better.
You're not getting the right view out.
I am getting right view on the mini view, sir. On the visual viewer.
Bring us behind and slightly above the Taramov.
Turning to join the fleet, sir.
Forward view on main screen.
Forward view, sir.
Shall I close with the fleet, sir?
Close the distance.
Mind the roids. Didn't realise the Vengeance was going to different hull colour, sir.
Hope those boys on the TSN Surprise are fine.
Sure,
See if you can get hold of the hunter and find out how how many they managed to pick up.
Yes, they got all 3 life pods. Command and Control has cleared the sector of Biomex. We're clear to dock with the Asimov. And can retain our docking orbit, something like that.
Alright, instruct the hunter to fly ahead to the TSAF Asimov. They've been out the longest, let's get them back first. Did that message get relayed, comms?
Did.
Make it clear that they can make best speed to the Asimov. They don't have to stay with us.
I'm not getting any response back from the hunter, but they appear to be complying.
We've taken some losses, but at least we've got these supplies.
Let's hope they're all intact. They're lucky they didn't send the fuel on fire.
Tell the hunter that once they've finished their dock, they're to move to grid Delta 3 Mark 4 and hold position there, and then we'll make our way for dock.
The nebula the Asimov's hiding in is as beautiful as ever.
It's a nice multicoloured nebula, isn't it?
I'm having some issues with my console at the moment, so...
Shall we close in the dock, sir?
Has the hunter moved out yet?
The Hunter has entered grid Delta 3.
They're in their parking orbit.
Alright, okay. Close in, Hal.
Bring us in, sir. Bring us on elliptic with the Asimov. We will be ready to dock shortly.
Turn to heading 220. Lovely. It's not the best dock I've ever seen.
Tractor engaged. Have we been brought in?
Dock's engaged. Supplies coming aboard. Once all homings aboard, takes to rendezvous with the hunter.
Yep. My consoles are back online, bring us in line with the hunter once we're done.
We are fully charged and resupplied. Moving to parking orbit.
All stop.
All stop engaged. We are done.
Ending log.
Alright.